Hey guys, today's tech tip is just something fun that I figured it would be entertaining for us to be able to do if you are interested and you have the time. So today's tech tip is a way for you to turn your cursor into a Bitmoji. Now the only time that this actually works is when you are in a Google thing like slides or your email or whatnot or your forms. It doesn't work if you're just on your desktop like normal. So how this works is you are going to need to open up a Google Drawing. Google Drawing will help you be able to get the correct dimensions and to turn it into a PNG. So the next thing you will have to have open is the extension. So you will need to go into a new tab and type in Google Chrome Store. From your Google Chrome Store, you'll need to open that up and you will need to type in the search a custom cursor for Chrome. That is the name of the extension. Any of these also do have some cute custom cursors, but they will not allow for you to actually be able to download a Bitmoji. So when you click on this, you are going to need to download the extension. I already have the extension downloaded, so I can't show you that process, but when you are finished and it is downloaded, you will find it in the puzzle piece if it does not already pop up here. So from here, your custom cursor for Chrome extension will look like this. When you click on it, I will show you that in just a moment, but this is where you will find it. The next thing that you will need is when you're in drawing, you will need to have your Bitmoji extension. If you do not already have your Bitmoji extension added, same thing, you would just go into the Google Chrome Store and download the Bitmoji extension. If you need help with that, let me know and I'd be more than happy to help you, but I'm sure a lot of you already have your Bitmoji extension. So from here, you're going to want to click on your Bitmoji extension, and I recommend typing in the word point or pointer or pointing. And from here, you will find those Bitmojis that have you pointing. For this particular one, I'm going to use this. And so I'm going to show you if you copy your image and then you paste it into your Google Drawing. The first step that you will need to have after you've added your Bitmoji is you will need to change the dimensions in order for this to work. You will need to go down to File and then Page Setup. From File, Page Setup, you'll need to click on Custom and change it to Pixels. If you change your pixels to 168, by 168 and click apply, it will change the dimensions of your picture. And from here, if you notice, the cursor when you're pointing is the opposite direction of what I already have. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to change the direction. So if you click on the right side and you move it to the opposite direction until you hit the red diagonal line, you have now switched it and the dimensions are the exact same. So now I'm going to make this larger so that it fits my entire box. And I'm also going to slide it up a little bit so that the pointer is in the top left-hand corner, because this is going to be where I'm going to be pointing to different things. So now from here, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Download as a PNG. It is now downloaded as a PNG, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move this to my desktop so that it's easy for me to find. You can put it wherever you want, but for me, desktop is the easiest spot. So now it's on my desktop. So the next thing I want to do, I want to have two, and if you've noticed how I've hovered over things, two of my Bitmojis have shown up. One is the click, one is the point. So you are going to need to have two Bitmoji pictures to choose from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to New Drawing, and I'm now going to create my next pointer or clicker. So I'm going to go to my Bitmoji again, or excuse me, I'm going to go to my page setup. I'm going to set up my page again. I could have just created a new slide, but that's okay. I'm going to go to Custom, Pixels, 168 by 168. Really didn't need to open it up twice, sorry. And I'm going to add in my next pointer. For this one, I just chose the silly one where my tongue's sticking out. I'm going to copy the image and I'm going to paste it in. And again, I want it to be to fill the whole space. And I want it to be as close up here as I can get it so that it's easy for me to click. I'm going to change the name of it so that it actually does that. Download PNG. And I'm also going to move that to my desktop. That way it's just easy for me to find. Again, you can put it wherever you want to. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my custom cursor for Chrome extension that I've already downloaded. I'm going to click on it, and I already have a couple saved in my collection, but what you're going to want to do when you want to upload a new cursor is you're going to go to here and you're going to click on the Add button. From here, This is how you are going to be able to turn your cursor into a Bitmoji. You're going to select whichever images you want, and then when you go back to your excuse me, when you go back to your Chrome extension, when you click on it, you will have your thing and it'll automatically change to what you want it to be. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this is easy enough. If you have any questions, though, I'd be more than happy to help you. This is just something fun for you to do, and I hope this adds some joy to your life as you're in your Google things. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.